Welcome to today's explainer. Look, if you've been feeling completely overwhelmed by the constant chatter around AI, or if you're sitting there thinking, this is just some intimidating buzzword for tech bros, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're taking AI and completely transforming it from a complicated, abstract concept into an everyday, highly practical tool that works for absolutely everyone. Yes, even if you are a total beginner. See, AI has gotten smarter, faster, and way easier to use. But the reality is, so many people still just don't know how to actually take advantage of it. Well, that officially changes today.
So, what if AI saved you hours every single day? I really want you to think about that. Literally, imagine getting hours of your life back. Whether you're a student drowning in coursework, a creator hustling to pump out fresh content, a freelancer juggling a dozen clients, or a business owner managing, well, the full shebang. AI is no longer just a cute little optional add-on in 2026. It's a powerful, essential tool designed fundamentally to help you work faster, learn better, and earn way more. We're going to completely shatter this illusion that you need a computer science degree to use this stuff. It's built for you, and it's built to give you your time back.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for today. We've got 1. AI for everyday tasks. 2. AI as your study buddy. 3. Supercharging content creation. 4. Earning with AI. And finally, 5. AI best practices. We're covering all these different personas today, making sure you walk away with practical tips you can use the second this explainer is over.
All right, Module 1, AI for everyday tasks. Let's see how we can take the friction right out of your daily routine.
Remember the old way of working? Spending literally hours on repetitive, mind-numbing tasks that just drained your soul before the real work even started? It's like you were constantly running on a treadmill but getting nowhere. Now look at the 2026 way. Imagine doing those exact same tasks in mere minutes. We aren't just talking about some tiny little efficiency boost here. We're talking about reclaiming massive chunks of your day that used to get swallowed whole by busy work. You finally get to focus on what actually matters.
So, what does this actually look like in the real world? Imagine waking up, pouring your morning coffee, and bam, a perfectly optimized schedule for your day is already waiting for you. Or, say you're staring at this massive, incredibly dry wall of text from your boss. AI can summarize it into 3 snappy bullet points before you even take a sip of that coffee. Struggling to reply to a kind of passive-aggressive email? Just have the AI draft a response with the absolute perfect, polite yet firm tone in like 2 seconds. It translates languages on the fly, it turns your scattered brain dumps into actionable to-do lists. Instead of you doing the heavy lifting on these chores, you just hand them off and move on with your life.
Moving right along, let's shift gears to the student persona with Section 2, AI as your study buddy.
If you're a student, AI is essentially this incredibly powerful 24/7 tutor that just lives right in your pocket. Think about taking a photo of a brutal calculus problem at 2 a.m. Instead of just spitting out the answer, which, let's be honest, doesn't help you pass the test, your AI tutor breaks it down step by step so you actually get the underlying concept. It's like having a library, a study group, and a private tutor all rolled into one. Struggling with a dense history topic? AI breaks it down into simple terms. It can instantly create study notes from your messy lecture recordings, generate customized practice quizzes, and even review your essays with constructive feedback to level up your writing skills.
But hey, so the crucial point here is this ethical boundary. Use AI as a learning assistant, not to cheat. The whole goal of leveraging AI in school is to actually learn the material better and faster, right? Not to bypass learning altogether. If you just have it write your papers and do all the work, you are literally only shortchanging your own future. But if you use it to explain tricky concepts, guide your practice, and check your understanding, that builds an amazing foundation. It's there to help you lift the weights, not lift them for you.
Okay, let's transition over to our third module, especially for all you creators out there, supercharging content creation. For creators, AI just completely clears the roadblocks. Imagine having severe creator's block, just sitting there staring at a blinking cursor. Now, imagine asking your AI for 5 fresh video concepts perfectly tailored to your niche, getting a structured script outline instantly, generating a stunning thumbnail mock-up, and writing all your SEO-optimized captions, all in the time it used to take just to set up your ring light. And editing? AI tools seamlessly integrate into your software to rip through edits faster, cutting silences and color grading with a single click. It streamlines the whole pipeline so you can actually get back to performing and creating.
Now, I know the biggest fear here is AI going to replace human creators? But remember this, AI speeds up the creative process, but your creativity and personality still make the content unique. AI absolutely does not replace you, it empowers you. Your distinct voice, your weird sense of humor, your lived experiences, that is the absolute secret sauce, guys.
AI just clears out the tedious production junk so your unique human personality can shine through brighter and faster than ever before.
All right, let's elevate the energy to something we all love talking about. Section 4, earning with AI. We're moving from just saving time to actually making money online.
Let's see how this builds into real financial opportunity, because a lot of people are already using AI to pull in serious income. Freelancers are literally doubling their client load without working a single extra hour. Copywriters are spinning up entire high-converting ad campaigns in record time. It's totally revolutionizing graphic design and video editing too, which means solo independent creators can now offer the kind of premium, top-tier services that used to require a whole agency. The barrier to entry for offering professional social media management or building lucrative digital products like online courses or ebooks, it has literally never been lower.
But listen, there's a very specific formula for success here. The key is to combine AI with your own baseline skills. AI is an incredible multiplier for sure, but it is not some magic push-button money machine. If you have foundational skills in writing, or design, or strategy, AI multiplies your effectiveness by 10. It still requires human curation, human taste, and human skills to actually turn these crazy tech capabilities into real sustainable income. You bring the talent and the vision, AI brings the relentless speed.
Finally, let's bring the narrative back down to earth with our fifth and final section, AI best practices. We need some essential guardrails for safe, effective use. To get the best results, you've got to have these guardrails. Think of this as insider advice. Step 1. Give clear prompts. Your prompts must be incredibly specific. The AI only knows what you tell it, so better prompts equal better output. Step 2. Trust but verify. Always check AI-generated info. It can occasionally hallucinate facts or pull up outdated stuff, so double-check its work. Step 3. Protect your personal data. Please, never feed sensitive passwords, financial info, or private company data into a public AI tool. And Step 4. Keep learning. This tech changes at lightning speed, so staying curious is absolutely your best way to stay ahead of the curve.
Now, what's really interesting about this is you have to think of it this way. You are the pilot, and AI is the highly advanced engine. AI is immensely powerful, yes, but it's still so important to think critically. You cannot just turn off your brain because the engine is doing the heavy lifting. Human critical thinking is honestly more important right now than it has ever been. You still have to decide exactly where the plane is going, navigate the turbulence, and verify that you're actually on the right flight path.
So, AI is fundamentally changing how we learn, how we work, and how we create. And the sooner you start leaning into it, the more opportunities you're going to have. So I want to leave you with this provocative question. What simple task will you start with today? Seriously, don't just close this explainer and go right back to your old time-consuming routine. I challenge you to try just one tool today. Start with one simple task right now and then gradually explore the more advanced features as you get comfortable. If you found this helpful in demystifying AI, dive right in and see the magic for yourself. Thanks so much for joining me to explore this, and hey, keep learning.